What if protecting your eyesight was as simple and enjoyable as sipping on a delicious drink? That the secret to fighting eye strain, shielding your retina from blue light, and even reducing your risk of long-term diseases wasn't found in a bottle of supplements, but in your blender. Modern science is now confirming that what you drink can be a direct line of defense for your eyes. In this video, we're revealing 8 delicious, science-backed recipes from a tea that acts as internal sunglasses to a juice that can sharpen your night vision that you can easily make at home to nourish your eyes and protect your vision for years to come. All right, let's dive into our list of eye-protecting and vision-boosting drinks, starting with the first one. 1. Goji Berry Tea. A staple in traditional Chinese medicine for brightening the eyes, Goji Berry Tea is now backed by modern science. Goji berries are one of the richest known dietary sources of zeaxanthin, the very carotenoid that concentrates in the macula to form your central vision's protective shield. This macular pigment filters blue light and quenches free radicals right where your vision is sharpest. Research in the journal Nutrients found that regular consumption of goji berries increased macular pigment optical density in healthy middle-aged adults, effectively boosting their natural defense against AMD. To make the tea, simply steep a tablespoon of dried goji berries in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can eat the softened berries after drinking the tea for an extra nutrient boost. 2. Carrot and orange juice. This classic combination is a vision-protecting powerhouse for a reason. Carrots are famously rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient absolutely essential for good night vision and the health of your cornea. Oranges, on the other hand, deliver a massive dose of vitamin C, a critical antioxidant that helps rebuild collagen in the cornea and supports the blood vessels in the retina. Studies, including those from the American Academy of Ophthalmology, have shown that a diet high in vitamin C can significantly reduce the risk of cataract progression and age-related macular degeneration. When you juice these two together, you create a synergistic effect. The healthy fats often present in a balanced diet help with the absorption of the fat-soluble beta-carotene, while the vitamin C enhances overall antioxidant protection. For a fresh glass, juice 3 medium carrots and 2 large oranges. Drink it immediately to get the maximum nutrient content and enjoy the vibrant, sweet flavor. 3. Spinach and Kale Smoothie. Don't let the green color fool you. This smoothie is a direct fuel for your eyes. Both spinach and kale are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, the dynamic duo of eye nutrients. These carotenoids act like internal sunglasses, accumulating in the macula to protect your retina from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. A study published in JAMA Ophthalmology linked higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin with a significantly lower incidence of advanced age-related macular degeneration. To make this powerful smoothie, blend a large handful of fresh spinach, a few kale leaves, stems removed, a frozen banana for sweetness, and a cup of water or almond milk. The healthy fats from a spoonful of chia seeds or flaxseed oil will further enhance the absorption of these vital, fat-soluble pigments. 4. Bilberry Juice. Often called the European blueberry, the bilberry has a legendary reputation for supporting night vision, dating back to World War II pilots. Modern science points to its exceptionally high concentration of anthocyanins, the potent antioxidants that give the berry its deep purple color. These compounds improve blood flow to the eyes, strengthen capillaries in the retina, and accelerate the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment crucial for low-light vision. Research in advances in gerontology has shown that bilberry extract can improve retinal function and reduce eye fatigue. While fresh bilberries can be hard to find, 100% pure bilberry juice is available in many health food stores. Just mix a small shot, about 2 ounces, with water daily. 5. Tomato and red bell pepper juice. This savory combination is a brilliant source of lycopene and more vitamin C than an orange. Lycopene is a powerful carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color and has been specifically linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. It protects the eyes by fighting the free radicals that damage retinal cells over time. Meanwhile, the red bell pepper provides a massive dose of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining the collagen structure of the cornea and for protecting the lens from cataract formation. Juice 2 ripe tomatoes and 1 large red bell pepper for a savory, refreshing drink. A tiny pinch of black pepper can actually enhance the bioavailability of lycopene, making this a simple yet scientifically savvy choice for eye health. 6. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a soothing beverage. It's a powerhouse of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, which offer potent protective benefits for the eyes. These powerful antioxidants accumulate in the retinal tissue, where they help to neutralize harmful free radicals generated by UV light exposure and metabolic processes. This action directly combats the oxidative stress that contributes to the development of cataracts and AMD. A comprehensive review in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirmed that the catechins in green tea can penetrate the eye's tissues effectively, providing a direct defense mechanism. Furthermore, green tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the delicate blood vessels in the eyes, reducing redness and irritation. For the best results, brew 1 to 2 cups of high-quality green tea daily, allowing it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes to maximize catechin extraction. 7. Pomegranate juice. This deep red juice is a fountain of polyphenols, including powerful elagitannins and anthocyanins, which offer a multi-pronged defense for your eyes. Its antioxidant capacity is considered higher than that of green tea and red wine, making it exceptionally effective at neutralizing the free radicals that cause oxidative damage to the lens and retina. Studies have shown that pomegranate extract can help protect the retina from the damaging effects of ischemia and bright light exposure. Furthermore, its anti-angiogenic properties may help inhibit the growth of abnormal blood vessels in the retina, a key problem in advanced AMD. To reap the benefits, drink a small 4-ounce glass of 100% pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice daily. Its rich, tart flavor makes it a potent and delicious addition to your eye health arsenal, supporting the intricate vascular network that keeps your vision clear. Remember, consistency is key. Making these drinks a regular part of a balanced diet, rich in other colorful fruits and vegetables, is your best strategy for long-term eye health. Which of these vision-boosting drinks will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health tips.